Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to make a card today. I'm going to show you my thank you cards, and I just wanted to show you there's still plenty of room if you wanted to make purchases on my online store with any of the products that you saw here today or any of the Stampin' Up! Products. But Paper Pumpkin, all you subscribers for this month, just got a square, so look for your invite to my June online class. And then, of course, you're already in for my May online class. So feel free, make any purchase this month and you will get a square, and these squares are for prizes at my online class. So let's go ahead and get started. And here is my online store. It's my name, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. If you do make a purchase, please use this host code between May 1st and May 30th. And let's get started. I've taken a sheet of Pretty Peacock, cut it right in half at 5.5, and then scored at 4 1/4. So I've got my base here. And I'm scrambling, looking around. I do not see my... Well, this is not the way to start it off. Hold on. I've got my to-go bag of tricks here. So I'm going to pull that out because I like to have this as flat as possible. There it is. My little bone folder. And we are going to burnish that down. I always carry around all of the stuff that I use to make sure I always have things to stamp with on the go. Alright, so we've got our base done, and I chose the base off of this designer series paper from the Dino Roar. I just thought this was super cute. And then I've got this piece here. This is the Mint Macaron, and I just think these two colors go really good together with this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this right on here. This is a quick and easy card. And we are going to line up this and this. And once that is all lined up the way I want it, the rest of it should line up perfectly. And there we go. All right. So I have this as well. This is just a cut piece of Whisper White. And whenever I'm using a dark color, I just go ahead and put that in there as well. So I always have Whisper White on hand. So we've got that. Now I'm going to get some more Whisper White. We're just going to get a piece here. Let's see. Well, I'm just going to grab this one. And I'm going to use the Taylor Tag Punch. And I'm going to use the Accented Blooms. Again, this is a thank you card. So I'm going to go ahead and get out that thank you, this one right here. And there it is. And I just have this big block out, so we'll go ahead and use that. And then I'm going to get my Pretty Peacock. I could emboss this if I'd like, but I think just the Pretty Peacock is going to be perfect. So I'm going to ink that up. And I'm just going to look to make sure that it's nice and inked. Look at that. This is going to be pretty. So I'm just going to take that, hold it down, let that ink transfer over, and look at how pretty that is. Just a nice thank you. And you'll see how quick and easy this card is going to be. I'm going to take again my tailored tag I'm going to flip it over so I can see what I'm punching out. I'm going to line this up in here rather nicely, as nice as I can get that, and punch that out. So we've got our piece there. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go right along here. Just line it up and punch that out. And then I'm going to come over here and do the exact same. Just making sure it goes straight across there. And now I'm going to put this guy here, put some adhesive, and the same here, all the way at the edge. I'm going to just set this one down right in the middle. That looks about right. And then I'm going to take this, I'm just going to put about 1/4 inch right here, and then I'm going to do the same thing on here. And then I'm going to look for my dimensionals, which I always keep in this little box like this. We're going to go with our bigger dimensionals, and we're just going to pop this little guy up. I'm going to grab my take your pick tool here, get to the pointer that I want, the pokey tool, because that's what I use to take the backings of the dimensionals off. And now I've got that centered in there. Look at how cute. And then we're just going to take a little bit of bling here. Again, using my take your pick tool. And I'm going to put one right here. And one right here. And I was thinking to do it here, but it's so busy, I think we're good. I think we are completely done with this card. What do you think? If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Again, make sure you subscribe. And if you wanted to purchase anything, this is where you do it. All right, beauties, have a great day. Bye.